Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Okay, so in this video we will see what is NVM and what is the use of NVM. So basically, when we work on the node related projects, okay, like basically Angular or the React kind of thing, so we come across the kind of scenario like we may work on the multiple projects simultaneously. Okay, so to understand this the use of NVM, so let's say there is a one user, let's say ABC, it's a user. Okay, this is the developer. Okay, let's say he is working on the project P1. Okay, he is working on P1. Okay, and this P1, let's say, are based on the node version 10.10.11. So this is the version on which this P1 project is depends. Let's say after some time ABC got the requirement and he has to work on the project P2. Okay, let's say at the time when this P2 started, the version node version is, let's say, 12.12.15. Okay, so this is the like a latest one. This P2 has been developed on the like a latest version of node, and this P1 has been developed on the older version of node. Okay, so in this scenario kind of thing, when we are using the traditional node way of implementation, install the node, uninstall the node. Okay, so basically in the traditional way of working, what ABC has to do when he work on the P1 project, he has to install the 10.10.11 by using that node. Okay, but when he has to switch to P2, he has to uninstall this one and install this one kind of thing. But when after some time if he want to switch to P1 or want to work on the P1, again he has to uninstall this one and install this one kind of thing. So this is the kind of real time issues the developer can get when he has to work on the multiple project which is depends on the like a different node version. Okay, so to solve this issue, okay, so we got the another concept called as the NVM. This is nothing but the like a node version management kind of thing, kind of like NPM only, node package managers in kind of NVM, node version management. Okay, so what it is does, okay, so NVM, by using the NVM, okay, we can easily switch between the two versions. Okay, any versions, like whatever the versions you want to switch you can install. Okay, means at a time you can install the four version of node, let's say 10.10.11, or you can install 12.12.15 or whatever, let's say 18. Okay, 18.0.0 or whatever the version you want to install, you can install using the NVM, and you can easily switch in between them whatever the project as per the your project specific need. You can switch in between the any version. Okay, you need not to uninstall the other version. Okay, simply you need to switch to that NVM and you can work on the project. Okay, hope so guys, you are clear why this NVM comes in a picture and what is the importance in the real time project development kind of scenario. Okay, now let's say how to install this NVM on the Windows. You can install this on Mac, Linux or Windows. Okay, so in this video we will see how to install this NVM on the Windows. Okay, so basically to install this one, okay, basically you just we have to do the some steps kind of thing. So first one is like you have to go to the this there is a one GitHub repository. Okay, GitHub repository for the NVM. Okay, we have to go to GitHub repository. There we have to find the latest release. Okay, for this NVM. Then third one, we have to download the zip file or .exe file. That's it. After that one, if you download the zip file, extract it and run the exe file, or directly download the exe file and install by using that one. So that are the very simple easy step to install the nvm. So let's see the now the practical kind of thing how to install. Okay, so to do that, just go to the any your favorite browser. Okay, and search for this one. Okay, like nvm for the windows. Okay, okay, so you will get the repository url for the repository. My internet is little bit slow. All right, so here you can see the this one is the like a github repository for the nvm. Okay, so here once you go to that nvm, okay, github repository, so here if you go down, okay, so here you will get the download now link kind of thing for the windows. Okay, so here you have to click it, okay, on the download now. Okay, so once you got it, so it will take us to the releases page for this nvm. Okay, and here you will see the different types where you can go for the installation. So here as I said, you can download the zip file, or simply you can download the exe file. Okay, so you can go through the both, because like ultimately let me show you how it will look like. Okay, so when we download that one, okay, so basically it will show the same file only. here here you can see I have downloaded this one. This is the zip file, and this is the directly I have downloaded the exe file. When I extracted this nvm setup zip file, you can see inside that one we have the same nvm setup file, and that is the same which we downloaded directly. Okay, so I will go with any one of them. Okay, double click on that one, then again it will ask for the permission to install that one. Just click on yes. Okay, after that one just you need to follow the flow like other softwares we follow while installation. Just accept the agreement, click on next, then it will show this default directory for the installation. If you want to change you can change, but I will keep as it is. Click on the next, then it will show the directory where it will install the all the node version. So I will keep as it is. I will click on next and then install. Okay, so here you can see last, you have to click on finish, means the nvm is now installed on my machine. Okay, now to reconfirm whether it's installed or not, just you have to open the cmd command prompt. Okay, and type the command nvm. Okay, so if you are getting the result kind of this kind of things, okay, means it is installed on your machine. Okay, so here you can see the running version is 1.1.12, means the current version of nvm installed on our machine is 1.1.12. Okay, and below is the list of commands supported by this nvm. Okay, so I will show you how to use this command. Okay, and the main purpose of this nvm is to install the different node version. Okay, so let's try to install the node version by using the nvm. Okay, so here if you see this one, this is the command to install the node version, nvm installed. Okay, so after that one we have to specify the version. Okay, but let's say if you don't want if you don't have the knowledge on the what is the version of the node, you want to install the latest version of the node, though in that case just you have to type nvm install and latest. Okay, so nvl will take care of that one and will check for the latest available node version and will download and install for you. Okay, so here you can see it is downloading 21.4 0 node version. Okay. All right, here you can see the version 21.4.0 is installed, and along with node npm version 10.2.4 also installed. Okay, now okay, to let's say you are want to check what are the node versions already installed on your machine. So there is a one command given by the nvm is like a nvm list. Okay, which will gives the whatever the versions installed on your machine. So here you can see the node version 21.4.0 is installed. Okay, now let's say I want to install the specific version of the node. So nvm install, then v for version, then you have to specify the version. Let's say I want to install 18.0.0. Make sure that version is available, specify the correct version, and after that click enter. Okay, so here I have given the version 18.0.0. Okay, so it will install this node version 18. Okay, all right, so here you can see the 18.0.0 it's installed. Let me check with the list again, nvm list. Okay, so here you can see the two versions of node are installed on my machine. Okay, now let's say you want to use any one of them. Okay, so what you can do, simply you have to use the command use. Okay, nvm use. Okay, and you have to add the which version you want to use for your project. So let's say 18.0.0 I want to use it. Okay, so just now enter that one, nvm use, and whatever the version you want to specify, it will ask for yes. Okay, so here you can see now using node version 18.0.0. Okay, so in this way you can switch in between the different version. Now let's say I am done with my project on the 18.0. Now I want to switch to the 21. So simply what we have to do, nvm use 21.4.0. Okay, so it will ask for the permission, click on yes. So here you can see nvm, now it's a 21.4.0, that is the like a node version we are using. Okay, or if you want to see what is the current node version we are using, so what we can do, nvm current. Okay, so it will give the current version of the node, whatever the node version we are using, that we can check. So these are the like main command which are the like a really useful while the doing the development kind of thing. So this is the all about the nvm, and hope so guys it will help you through the like for your project development kind of thing, because like that is a really important thing to install the node again and uninstall for the different version, then install the new version kind of thing. That job is very tedious kind of thing for the development. As a developer we want to focus on the core development activity rather than this configuration things. So I hope this nvm will help you to resolve that. Thank you.